So today we're going to talk about capture recording. Before we get into it though, capture recording is basically when you want to record an idea, but how should I say it? When you're putting it on your track and you're playing it, you find out that sometimes it doesn't come out the way you want it when you pressing the record button. So I'm going to show you a quick tip that is awesome. So basically, it's just basically when you get an idea and you just mess around with it, and then when you got that right idea and you keep playing it, you can actually just press capture record while it's playing, and it will capture that in MIDI. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if you go to your screen and look at this first, if before we say that, you probably are asking me, how do we find capture recording in Logic? Well, first of all, if you look at the top bar, if you right click anywhere in between here, just right click, you see that menu pops up. So just click on a customize control bar and display. Boom. All these hidden features. What? So basically, to find capture recording or enable it, obviously I already had it enabled, but you click, it's right in this section under transport, capture record. So I already had it enabled, so I'm going to re-click it again. So and then after you've done that, you go ahead and click OK. Now you have this button right here with the white ring around it. That is the actual capture recording key. Now, this is the regular recording key, but this is the capture recording key. If you notice, what shows up besides it is arrow R, but we're not going to do that's a shortcut, but we're not going to do the shortcut. We're just going to do it just clicking it. So basically, I'm going to show you how this works. So I have this beat here. I was making this for an NBA video game session, so this is what it sounds like, but I'm going to add a bass line to it. I just don't know what kind of bass line I want to add to it, so I need to find one. So this is how this works, guys. So let's check it out. Oh, whoa. Did you see just happen? So I didn't press record, but I was playing. And as you can see, and while it was playing, I pressed capture record and it caught it on the track. Let's listen to it. Let's find out if it got it right. Let's see. Simple as that. So now, say for instance, okay, it got pieces in there, but I don't want everything in there. So let's go ahead and do some little quick editing. So we're going to, if you look to your right, far right, you can actually spread out your windows, and then we'll spread this out a little bit, and then we're going to let's edit this real quick. So let's take off the repeat off of here. Let's see. Okay, so we want it to start from there. So let's move this over here. Spread it out just a little bit more. Highlight this bar. Then we're going to click on the scissors, which is the quick edit. Actually, sorry, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to click on the square toolbar, which brings up another set of tools under the transport bar. And we want to just split this playhead and the region. Do we want to keep it or shorten or split? Do you want to keep the shorten and split the notes that cross the point? We're going to actually keep it. Okay, as you see, we cut this piece here. After we cut that piece, now we're going to go ahead and play it again. Let's go back a little bit. So now that we got that piece in here, now we're going to cut it again. So we click on this, split but pay head, keep that. After we cut that, this is the sweet thing here. We're going to go ahead and actually just copy, actually just option, click, drag. Bam, there it is. Option, click, drag. We was able to copy that. Let's just that simple, guys. Capture recording. I hope you like what you just saw. So if you like what you just saw, real quick, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be bringing you more videos like this. So get ready because we're about to get it. Oh, this is going to get excited about this one because there's a lot of features in Logic that blows my mind, and I'm pretty sure to blow your mind too. And it will help you create great music, I should say. Create great music. So God bless, and I will see you guys in another day. Peace.